Do you know you can actually make a lot of money just by adding your voiceover behind trending celebrity videos? Yes, you heard me right. You can actually make a lot of money off the internet or whatever social media platform just by adding your voiceover behind celebrity videos. And I believe you've probably seen this sort of similar channels on YouTube here or Facebook with lots of subscribers, and these channels are actually getting decent views when it comes over to YouTube and Facebook. And that's what I'm going to share with you as well. So if this is your first time here, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually make money just by creating celebrity-based content using your smartphone. Yes, all you simply need is either a smartphone or a laptop and you are good to go. Because all you simply have to do is that make sure that whatever device you are using have access to CapCut or InShot or any other video editor out there. Once you have that, you are actually good to go. So with this already said, let's get straight to today's video. Let me show you how you can create such content and get them monetized on YouTube as well. So hello guys, now that we are on my phone, let's actually get straight to today's video. Let me share with you how you can actually do this easily. So now the first thing you actually need to do is that this is the first thing you need to do in order to help you get the right content to post. The first thing, that come over to Instagram. So you can use Instagram or Twitter, but I always advise Instagram because that's where they get to post more images. So once you come over to Instagram, now here is the first social media handle I want you to follow, depending on the country you're actually creating your content from. So if you are in Nigeria and then most of your videos are about Nigeria celebrities, then it's a must for you to follow this handle known as Yaba Left, because this way you get to get some of the latest gist. So the first social media handle you should go and follow is actually Yaba Left, because they will bring all the trending information to you. Now after Yaba Left, the next thing you need to go is simply Gossip Mill TV. Now Gossip Mill TV is another active channel where you can go get trending information from about all of these celebrities. So you can go follow Gossip Mill TV, and then Instablog. I don't know if they are still active. It's been a while I saw their post. Okay, Instablog Ninja. Then also follow Instablog Ninja as well. Now these are the three main social media handles you should follow for every sort of information you need to know about all of these celebrities. Now after this, you also need to go and follow a bunch of celebrities on Instagram, so that what you get to get updated whenever they make posts, and then you can create your videos about those posts depending on how they are actually performing. Now after all of this thing, the next thing you need to do is that also follow other YouTube channels that are actually creating this sort of content. Now the reason I'm giving you this ahead of the video is that I don't want a scenario whereby I'll show you how you can actually create a video, but then you don't know how to get the content and how you can actually stay updated and how to grow your channel as well. That's why I'm giving you this information before getting into the main tutorial itself. So now I've given you the two main things you need. First of all, follow these main handles that I've shared with you, and then you can see I'm following all of them. Next up is simply follow celebrities as well, and also follow similar channels that are creating similar content, mostly those that are above 5,000 subscribers. Follow those ones so I can get to steal content from them as well. So now that I've actually shared with you all of these things, now let's get straight to the main tutorial. Let me show you how you can actually create this sort of videos. So now the first thing you do is that you first of all come over to this page. Now when you come over to this page, you look at their latest things that they've posted, maybe the latest news or something. For example, here is a post about okay, this one was Bobrisky and then this guy. So just look for a particular celebrity that's trending. So now you just have to go through and look for their latest information. Okay, so here is a saga between Bobrisky and then who is that, Tonto Dike. Now once you see this sort of saga, the next thing you do is that you go over to this celebrity page. You try looking for where they made the post about this particular thing. So for example, for that of Bobrisky, I don't even know his social media handle, but let me just search for it. So what you simply do is that you come over to Bobrisky. Okay, that is it here, Bobrisky 22. Okay, so this one, the account is private. Now some of them, they have their account as private, and there's nothing you can do about those ones. So you just have to look for celebrities that have open pages. So for example, let me just use a celebrity for this particular video. Let me just go to Rema. Doesn't have posts on his social media platform that much. Let me go to Don Jazzy. Okay, Don Jazzy, I believe he has a lot of posts. Now taking a look at this Don Jazzy page right now. Now what you can simply do is that you see their pictures. If the particular information you want to use it's in form of picture. Maybe he made a certain post that triggered a lot of people. What you can simply do is that you take screenshot of it. So for example, I'm going to take a screenshot of this particular picture right now. Maybe this picture has something to do with whatever video I'm coming to create. I'll just take a screenshot of it. You see, I'll just take a screenshot like this, and then you go over to your gallery and then you crop it off, or you can even do it in the video editor. Now the next step is simply you grab the video. Now for the videos on their page, you can actually make use of screen recording. So you can use screen recording to actually screen record the videos, and then you have them. You don't have to go stress yourself looking for a way to download it. Simply use a screen recorder to screen record the video, because at the end of the day, you're not going to play the videos that much. You just play a little pic of the video and then you add your voiceover behind it. Now for me, I'm not going to do a lot of it because of these tutorial purposes. So now let me go straight and I show you the most important part, which is the editing part. I've already shown you how you can gather the content already. If you want more information regarding it, you can let me know down in the comment section as well. But I'm giving you every single thing, how you can actually get to know which content you need to create. Now let's get straight into the video editor. Let me show you how you can actually add all of this together and then get to add your voiceover behind it. Now for that, you can either use CapCut or InShot. For this video, I'm going to go with CapCut. And if you want me to use InShot for another video, kindly let me know that in the comment section as well. So for this video, let's go with CapCut. So now inside CapCut here, simply click on New Project. Now over here, so for example, I took a screenshot of Don Jazzy's photo. So here's the photo. And then I'll just gather up different pictures I have in my gallery, and then videos, so you can just mix them up like this. So maybe you've selected all the videos, so let me just select all of them. Now once you gather them, just hit on where it says add. Now you can see for this Don Jazzy's picture, you can just zoom it in, just tap on it and then zoom it in, and then those icons will actually go off. You see, now those icons will actually go off. Now for the better alternative, I always advise you use this thing. You go crop the social media watermark and all of those off before you bring it inside CapCut. But for this video's sake, I'm not going to go through the cropping to actually save time. Now once you have all of the medias gathered here like this, maybe the screen recording, the pictures of the celebrity you want to talk about, and all of that, the next thing you actually do is that over here now you need to add your voiceover. Now to add your voiceover on CapCut, all you simply have to do is click on where it says audio. Now if you click on audio, you can see where it says sound, and then sound effects, text to audio, and then you're going to see where it says extract as well. Now what you want to make good use of is actually the record button here. Now you simply have to click on the record button and then you tap on it to start recording. Now this one will actually be recording your voice. So all you simply do in this scenario is that you just talk about whatever information, maybe they are having a beef, so you just talk about a beef, just give a little bit of talk, and then you play some videos. Maybe if they have some video they recorded during the beef, like the way Portable often do, you see Portable will come and they'll come and be dragging the celebrity through live stream and all of that. So you just screen record that video. So maybe after some small talk, and then you get to play those video, and then you let the video play for a while, and then you pause the video and then you continue talking again. You necessarily don't have to show your face on camera. You just have to do this behind the scene. The only thing you send out there about yourself is simply your voice over, and this is pretty much simple. Now once you are done recording your voice and all of that, simply hit on the check mark at this top here. Now first of all, hit on the microphone. Sorry for that, you need to tap on the microphone first and then hit on the check mark. Now whenever you tap on the microphone, it will automatically pause. So once you tap on the microphone, it will pause. So for those of you who would like to talk a little bit and then play the video, maybe the celebrity recorded the video, this is simply how you do it. Whilst it's recording, let me say you want it to record. So whilst it's recording like this, maybe you want to stop somewhere and then get to add the celebrity reaction to it. So all you simply have to do that, simply hit on the microphone like this, and then hit the check mark here. Now after this, you get to maybe scroll through. Maybe if it's about Portable, you're actually going to get a lot of videos of him talking. So you just jump through the areas where he was talking, and then you come back to the audio again, and then you continue recording. So this is simply how you get to do such videos. So this is simply as simple and straightforward. After this, you hit on it again, and then hit on the check mark again and then after that, one thing with CapCut is that CapCut is actually going to add an outro to it, which is an end screen. So make sure you always watch out for it and then delete it off. You're actually allowed to delete it off. So Now here you have, maybe you are done adding your voiceover and everything. Now the next thing you need to do is that this will be quite difficult for you to do on your Android, on a smartphone, but very easy for those of you who will be doing it on desktop computer. What you simply have to do is that don't just let these lights just jump into each other like this. One thing you can do, you can tap on it and then make use of animations. So you can come over to the animation tab and then make use of some animation. You can have, you see the fade in here. The fade in is simply the animation I always advise. So make good use of the fade in. So you can use the fade in for all of them and extend it to at least 1 second each. Now extend it to 1 second each. So I'm just going to turn down the volume on my phone. So now once you do all of this like this, you simply match the audio to your voice over to whatever clip you are talking about. Maybe you are talking about Don Jazzy. You just have to extend your audio to feed into where the content about Don Jazzy. Maybe you added Don Jazzy video and images. You just have to add it up there. And if you are looking for a typical example to actually use whenever you are creating your videos, what you simply have to do is that come over to YouTube and then follow these two channels I'm going to share with you. These two channels will actually help you out a lot. So let me just search for them. The first channel is simply Big, let me go back, Big Vicky. So Big Vicky TV. So here's the first channel. He creates a lot of celebrity videos. He has 82,900 subscribers. You can see with 2,000 plus videos. So you can come and look at his video and see how he does. You can see this one 8 hours ago, 1.2k views. Look at this one 4 hours ago, 1.3k views. This one channel you can actually come and look at and then subscribe to it and then turn on bell notification so that you can get so that you'll be notified whenever they upload their videos, and then you also go look for those trending information as well. Now you can also learn how you can create these videos from them by watching their videos. Next up is actually Big Charlie. Charlie Vibes TV. So Big Charles TV also is another one that you can come and look at. This one has 51k subscribers. So you can also come over here and then still get to copy all of this, and that's simply how you get to do it. And this content are very simple and straightforward, and all of these channels are fully monetized. Let me show you that of Big Vicky. You can see that all of them are fully monetized. Let me turn down my phone volume. You can see ad is displaying before the video itself, and this sort of videos don't actually get you copyrighted because what, you are just using images and video clip, and those ones are not even monetized, so there's no way you are going to get copyrighted for it. So this is simply how you get to create celebrity videos and get your channel monetized and also make money. Remember, in order to grow your channel, learn from bigger channels that are already in that feed that are doing well. Look at how they design their thumbnails, look at how they create their content, and look at how often they actually make their posts, and they get to learn from them to also implement in your own channel as well. So with this already said, have a lovely day. Bye.